Daniel Van Tonda welive lesikhwahlande nguye lasawinile kulesizumbulo senzebe yeligalufa ye-Sunshine Tour 2024 lebo ulethwe libhange le-FNB eSwatini kanti bewudlalelwa lapha eNkonyeni Resort and Golf Course. Van Tonda lo udlalela iSerengeti Golf and Wildlife Estate lo-ke waphindze wachithelana nase-Europe wawina. Uhambe embili ngemaphuzu langephansi nge-14 -14 kulandzela kutsi kuwo umdlalo weligalufa kuwinwa ngekuthi ukore kancane kunakakhulu. Lesizumbulu setigidzi letimbili temalangeni 2 million lebetidlalelwa badlali labangamashumi 50 batfole kuhlephulelana kiso. Kwatsi Van Tonda lohlabene watfola tinkhulungwane letingemakhulu lamatsatfu nelishumi nesikhombisa 317,000 emalangeni. Sekatibongela wa Van Tonda lo chazwe njengampetha kuteligalufa ubeke kanjena ngesingisimane.
First, I just want to say thank you to all my sponsors. Omar Eye Fatigue has been with me since 2015. Booyah Clothing, so Booyah. And the supporters this week, thank you. Felt like home. And the sponsors, thank you for FNB and Zwati and everything. Sunshine Tour, thank you for the rules and being there, nomads, and the course is great. Thank you very much and see you next year.
Ibhange le-FNB lebelilethe lena ndzebe kwesithathu eveni libulale emabhodlela ngebukhulu nangekusekelwa kuyo lenzebe. Asesive umphathi walo libhange le-FNB eSwatini umnumzane Dennis Mbingo atibongela.
Thank you to everyone who was here, not just today but for the last 3 days, and especially the week and the days heading up to the tournament. So thank you for the all-round support. We are quite honored as Eswatini and especially as FNB to have an event of this magnitude in the country. It's not something that we take lightly. We understand what it takes in terms of effort, in terms of financial contribution, in terms of the political support from inside the bank itself. So Thokozani, that's an indirect comment to you. So thank you for everyone who has invested in this. This event has become a key strategic asset for FNB. We know that it's got very strong support from especially our commercial and corporate customers who have not only supported us by attending the Pro-Am, but some of them are wearing the Nomads t-shirts today. So some of the guys
kubhekeke ukuthi lona mchuthelwano weligalufa uphindze ubuye nasemnyakeni lotako njengokwethembisa kwabo be-Sunshine Tour kanye nalo libhange le-FNB eSwatini. Lobikako ngithandeka Mathebula naJulisa Mamba eNkonyeni Resort and Golf Course.